kum shibenta banang penpro jabing bat banlong ke jingyar ke jingtip halor ke jingken jingdia nang ta ka yo ka kod bat grukom pentrikam jong gisnat trikam baper hagi jekakan shopisa yek belatip kum ki bang kebolong ru kum kawaina ke jing shibenta jong gisna school haki district baper kum ke district level ke Reserve Bank of India Shillong hene ke singi kita ha ka pratrik ujleu arjar arpulai kala penlong ya ke All India Quiz Competition on Financial Literacy arjar arpulai haki district level ya ke bamanta ke singi la penlong honong po Haribah district. Nak benta ke school sarkar ki badan hapok ke district, kabagi nongjob nak ke jingi kop jing kentip, nak ke district level, kini ay kalat ban le isim benta sya ke state level, kabalatip kum ke zonal level. Bat kum juro ki bejob nak ke state level, kini ay kalat ban le isim benta pan sesya ke national level. Kumban syukur kendiat bagi dan perhati lagi sekolah sarkar ki balawan banesim benta hak ne ji kop jing kentip ki bakan thup ya ka pertarkama government higher secondary school ka jirang government higher secondary school ka Saidan RMSA secondary school ka Maurong RMSA secondary school ka Menken RMSA secondary school ka Berwa RMSA secondary school ka School Kendriya Vidyalaya Nepa Umyam bat ka School Kendriya Vidyalaya Umroy. Hadin ki babon teli kijing keli ki balai da ki nong peniat ki bedai na ka Reserve Bank of India ka Maurong RMSA Secondary School kala yo ya ka nam ladu badra ya ka khusnam rangkat ka song pisa bat ka trofi nang ta ka patar kema Government Higher Secondary School ha ka kerdan ka baar bat ka Menken RMSK Secondary School ha ka kerdan ka balai.
Hold it. Thank you. Of 10,000 rupees for Maurong Government School. Hold it, this is for you. For the second prize winners, congratulations. The privilege here. This is a cash prize of 5,000 rupees for the third prize winners. Wait. Reserve Bank of India has been conducting camps because our focus is financial literacy, and we want to ensure that every citizen of the country should be financially literate. We all know that a country which is financially literate, it is the key to economic development. Now, we have been conducting camps for various target groups, and students is one of the most important part in that target group because you are the future of our country. We have been conducting camps through various modes like Nukkad Natak, radio jingles, advertisement to spread financial literacy, and today's quiz is again one of our such effort to spread financial literacy. The winners of today's quiz get cash prize, trophy and certificate, and they will be participating in a state level quiz where they will be competing with other students of different districts. The winner of the state level quiz will again represent the state in a zonal quiz, and then on they will participate in a national level quiz which will be held during the G20 event. Now, every competition, not everyone loses, not everyone wins, right? So in today's competition, though not everyone wins, but I assure you, everyone learns. Okay? So with this spirit, let us start. Okay? Let us set the ball rolling.